So you got yourself a VPN to protect your privacy while streaming. The question is, how do I install it on my Fire TV device? Well, this short tutorial will show you exactly how. Okay guys, so let's get to it. From your home screen, go to Find, which is the magnifying glass, down to Search, and in here we're gonna type VPN. Once you typed it in, select it, and overly you'll find your VPN. So as you can see in this ton here, IP Fairness, Express, Node, Proton, Honor, Surfshark, VPN, Proxy, Internet Private Access, Award VPN. This is a free VPN, and I have another video on that. CyberGhost, Hotspot VPN, VPN Shop, Pathortal VPN, literally any major VPN service you can think of, you'll find it in there. So all you do, if you wanna install one, for example, I'm gonna choose Award VPN, click on it, and then you download it. And Bob's your uncle, guys. You now got a VPN on your Firestick. Now, depending on what VPN you use, some will cost money and some will not. So you'll have to experiment with them. I will say that the paid VPNs are better if you want to ensure you're getting the best security and you don't swap with your internet speeds as much as you do with the free ones. If you're just curious to see what it does, all you do is select one and you just go to the information section and find out a bit about the VPN. So Proton VPN is the world's only free VPN, is secure and strictly and respects your privacy. And if we scroll down, as you can see, you can look at the app with users. So if you want other people's affiliates on a specific VPN, you just have it right there, folks. So there we go, folks. Now is how to install a VPN on your Firestick. I hoped this helped, and if it did, press the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.